99 chance, 90's #1 for hip hop.
Hi, I'm Neville in the flesh. You're a little pussy.
I don't know how you can say that.
That's a ton of water.
We haven't put on the dishwasher.
It's flooded under there.
I didn't even know it. I mean, it
What
was
do you
kind
mean,
of.
no, how did you not
Okay,
know
it was kind of. It was.
Wait a minute, wait.
Go ahead.
You called and said, we didn't clean out the water. You know there's water under there.
No, what happened was, if you let me just tell you.
Like lax about it, like, man, here I am, I'm Puff Daddy, clown this guy.
The pantry sink.
Pantry sink? I don't know. This is sink. This is sink.
Then the fucking milk came out.
You son, he must leave. You snuff in my head.
I was like working with this guy to know.
Now we want to turn that gate valve into a ball valve, right?
Yes. What a mess.
All right, let's shut up.
Oh, hello, how you doing? Hi. Not off.
I didn't shut it off. It's still going. That quarter pressure.
See, it's rising now.
Here, pull my mask on real quick.
Enough water.
Try it up on him.
You smile?
Right, just go ahead. There you go. Now try that one out for him. And this handle. Fixed, right?
What is it? Oh, because of the hot water heater? Yeah.
Start taking another.
You got it.
Hi.
Hello. What's the last thing? There's something in there.
Yeah.